1/3 Show Caption Hide Caption. Several key organizations recently came together to advance exoskeleton technology for the soldier during an intensive 3-day operations and maneuver and technology interchange meeting. Soldier feedback played a key role in the event. Soldiers from the 10th Mountain Division, pictured here, show some of the equipment that they use during everyday tasks and learn how an exoskeleton can help. Photo credit, David Cam, RDECOM, Soldier Center, view original 2/3 Show Caption Hide Caption. Several key organizations recently came together to advance exoskeleton technology for the soldier during an intensive 3-day operations and maneuver and technology interchange meeting. Soldier feedback played a key role in the event. Soldiers from the 10th Mountain Division, pictured here, show some of the equipment that they use during everyday tasks and learn how an exoskeleton can help. Photo credit, David Cam, RDECOM, Soldier Center, view original 3/3 Show Caption Hide Caption. Several key organizations recently came together to advance exoskeleton technology for the soldier during an intensive 3-day operations and maneuver and technology interchange meeting. Soldier feedback played a key role in the event. Soldiers from the 10th Mountain Division, pictured here, show some of the equipment that they use during everyday tasks and learn how an exoskeleton can help. Photo credit, David Cam, RDECOM, Soldier Center, view original Fort Drum, NY. Several key organizations recently came together to advance exoskeleton technology for the soldier during an intensive 3-day operations and maneuver and technology interchange meeting. The User Technical Touchpoint Exoskeleton event was a 3-day living classroom, hands-on experience. It offered an interactive forum for operational and technology immersion on both infantry maneuvers and technology demonstrations. Groups of several military operational specialties, or MOSs, were represented, laying down their kits and equipment and walking observers through a day in the field, on the job. Operational vignettes and subject interviews offered context on the physiological and cognitive demanding infantry tasks before, during, and after operations. Vendors, requirement developers, and engineers discussed what they are and what they aren't in the current exoskeleton marketplace, debunking the Hollywood Iron Man effect and focusing on real-time products, the Defi Exoboot and Lockheed Martin's Onyx. Soldiers were encouraged by the endurance improvement, mobility and lethality benefits of donning the systems. Those who wore the systems commented on how it felt to wear an exoskeleton and the relationship between a new user and the system. Their candid feedback regarding form, fit, and function will help developers prioritize and make modifications to the systems in preparation for a fall 2019 VIP demonstration. Observers commented on the flexibility of use as the systems were adjusted with minimal effort from one user to the next over 3 days. User comments, such as those made by field artillery soldiers, emphasized the potential value of having an exoskeleton or exoskeleton-like system to provide enhanced endurance during operations, which means a positive impact on lethality and combat effectiveness. The importance of this user touchpoint event was twofold. It gave those involved in developing this technology the ability to better understand the physical aspects of the tasks and duties of the soldiers and gain an understanding of the soldier's perspective and how this capability can be of value, said James Mingo, a senior military analyst at TRADOC. They understand it. It provided hand-on experience to the movement and maneuver soldiers of some of the top 7 combat MOSs, said Raul Esteras Palos, Robotics Requirements Division, Capabilities Development and Integration Directorate, or CDID, Maneuver Center of Excellence, or MCOE. This event is an effective way to gain valuable feedback necessary for the advancement of the Army's exoskeleton program. Soldiers believe that endurance translates into improved lethality while preserving the body from the effects of what is already strenuous work. Comments include discussion on injuries, the lower back, neck, shoulder and leg, directly related to both training and combat conditions, impacts that are well documented in the medical community. The RDECOM Soldier Center is preparing soldier touchpoint events with 82nd and 101st Airborne, followed by meetings with requirement developers, stakeholders and senior leadership. The data from these user touchpoint events will be made available to the lethality cross-functional teams. Major General Piatt, CG 10th Mountain DIV's support has allowed us to tap into the expert knowledge of some of the most experienced Army professionals of our nation, said David Odette, Branch Chief, Mission Equipment and Systems Branch at the RDECOM Soldier Center. This was a unique opportunity for developers and engineers. We are indebted to the troops for their selfless service and owe them the opportunity to listen to their concerns and take action. Teams from the U.S. Army Research, Development and Engineering Command's Soldier Center, Program Executive Office Soldier, the Maneuver, Aviation, and Soldier Division at Arctic, TRUDOC, Requirement Developers from the Maneuver Center of Excellence and Maneuver Support Center of Excellence, Army Research Labs, Exoskeleton, Developers from DEFI Inc., Massachusetts, and Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control, Florida, and other support contractors attended the event. The U.S. Army Soldier Center is part of the U.S. Army Research, Development and Engineering Command, which has the mission to provide innovative research, development and engineering to produce capabilities that provide decisive overmatch to the Army against the complexities of the current and future operating environments in support of the joint warfighter and the nation. RDECOM is a major subordinate command